What's up, everybody? We are back at it again. We are going to try to dismantle some more of this shed, see how much we can bust apart. I brought my friend Percy over here to help us out. If you don't get that joke between Sledge and Percy, look it up, Google box it. So let's get started. right, guys, another trip over to the burn pile. Got it cleaned off pretty good. Still got that pile of crap right there. This is all stuff that really can't be burned, so we're gonna have to get a dumpster for that. Also knocked a hole in the floor. I don't know how well you can see down there, but it's pretty dark, pretty deep. So, all right, let me get this truck unloaded. There's Harley, the Wonder Dog, relaxing in the shade. Burn pile starting to get a little meaty with all this stuff we're putting on here. When we set this thing on fire here in a couple weeks, might be able to see it from space. All right, so after another afternoon's worth of work, I mean, it looks a little bit better. I know it still looks horrible, but we're getting there. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, you know, sometimes you got to make things look worse before you can make them look better. But we've gotten a lot of the stuff out of here, a lot of the wood and stuff. We still got a little bit more to do. It'll be way better once we get that dumpster over here. So anyway, we're just gonna keep working at it until we get it all cleaned off and get it ready to rock and roll for future plans. So catch you later.